it's Simply Fatima. I'm really excited that you're here for another video. Today's video I am comparing my Louis Vuitton HL Speedy to my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. If you're interested in wanting to know what I have to say about these two handbags, please stay tuned. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button. Also give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So I've been on like a Nano Speedy kick recently because in my last video I talked about this cutie right here, which is my Louis Vuitton HL Mini Speedy. And so I recently talked about this bag and everything that fits inside of this bag. And so I am gonna do a comparison video on my Nano Speedy and my HL Mini Louis Vuitton Speedy. There's a difference in vachetta. This one is from 1994. I purchased this at the end of 2020 going into 2021. I purchased this bag. First, let's talk about the Nano Speedy because she hasn't been shown much love on my channel in a while. We've shown a lot of love to this cutie right here. I'm gonna show you everything that fits inside of this in both of these bags, even though my last video kind of showed like what fits in this bag. I've been carrying this bag for so long, I need to rotate out of it. But I'm gonna show you everything that comes out of this bag and place it in this bag. All of the bag like details will be in the description box down below, so make sure you read and check out the description box. And yeah, all the bag specs, everything about both bags will be in the description box down below. So let's focus on the Nano Speedy because the Nano Speedy, like I said, has not gotten much love on my channel since 2021. Honestly, I haven't really talked about this cutie. It's been a while. She's been packed back in my closet. Like, I love my Nano Speedy. I love it so much. This is one of my favorite fall time bags. The vachetta is still very bright because I wear it under a lot of sweaters. It does go outside every once in a while. I've mentioned plenty of times on my channel that I do baby the Nano Speedy because it is just so freaking adorable. I am one of the few luxury handbag YouTubers who have not cut my strap off. I do not want to cut my strap off. I'm gonna keep it the way that it is. I don't have any problems with the fact that the strap is not detachable. I don't have a problem with the strap not being adjustable either. I find that where it lays on me is completely fine, and I have no issues with it. This bag is a little taller in size as compared to the HL Speedy. You see how the Nano Speedy has a lot of height, whereas the HL Speedy has a lot of length. I was about to say width, but it has a lot of length. The Nano Speedy has a lot of width on it in comparison to the HL Speedy. So this bag is clear, even though it's called a Nano, it is actually quite bigger in height and in width than its cousin, the HL Speedy. And it doesn't have what most Speedies have, the little leather tab at the end that you can attach a lock. This Nano Speedy does not have that. The leather tabs are just sewn down to the canvas or glued down to the canvas. So yeah, this bag comes with a long strap. Now the newer model comes with treated vachetta and it comes with a removable adjustable strap. The HL Speedy that I have, I'm not sure if it came with a removable adjustable strap, but I am gonna say it most likely did not, and people just added their own strap to the bag. And so this is just another little top handle that was created for children, to just, you know, carry their little toys and crayons and such like that as a top handle versus a crossbody. And so here you have a nano bandolier style Speedy, because it comes with a strap that you can wear as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. And if you have the newer model with the treated leather and the removable adjustable strap, you have different strap options, or different ways that you can carry this bag. I tend to carry this bag as a top handle again, and as a crossbody again. This is my main fall handbag. Again, I wear this as a top handle or a crossbody. Again, this is one of my fall time bags, so it's worn under a lot of sweaters and cardigans. And so yeah, so the inside is pretty much the same with the HL Speedy and the Nano Speedy. It has that textile lined interior, with the leather tab in the back that says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And that's pretty much the Nano Speedy in a nutshell. It's one piece of monogram canvas with vachetta piping on the side, and she is a really, really cute bag. I know this bag was such a craze in like 2019, 2020, 2021. Louis Vuitton listened to everybody who's on YouTube who talks and raves about this bag, and came out with a newer model with an adjustable removable strap with treated vachetta. The bag does have gold hardware. It is the kind of muted gold hardware. It's not that shiny gold hardware that we're used to on some Louis Vuitton pieces. So that is what the gold hardware looks like. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. That's what the gold hardware looks like. And then again, on the bag, it still has the same like little details with the rivets and the leather tabs on the monogram canvas. So, and here is the HL Speedy with the same rivets with the leather tabs, with one piece of monogram canvas with the vachetta piping, top handle. This is not a bandolier style Speedy, so it is the classic top handle Speedy with the same interior, the textile lining with the leather Louis Vuitton France Louis Vuitton Paris made in France leather tab on the inside. This cutie comes with a leather tab depending on the condition that you buy this pre-loved. Some of these bags might come with leather tabs, some of them won't. If you find the original one does not have a leather tab on it. It actually has the original manufacturer's name of who created the gold hardware. So just keep an eye out on that, or just keep that in the back of your mind. And so on the Nano Speedy, actually the Nano Speedy is just one gold zipper, and it doesn't have a leather tab on it like that. And the gold zipper has LV on it, whereas this one has a leather tab on it. But the little rivet on the leather tab right here does have LV on it. Yep, right there. This bag also comes in gold hardware, just like most standard Louis Vuitton bags. Again, it does have the textile line brown interior on the inside. And yeah, so let me just quickly show you all what fits inside. Oh, let me see. The top handles, I'm sorry, look like they could be about the same drop, but again, I'm gonna have the bag details, both bag details, in the description box down below. But they both look like they have the same amount of drop. The openings to the bags are both small, so if having small openings something that bothers you, then these bags will probably not be ideal for you. The Speedy HL, or the HL Speedy, looks like the zipper is a little bit longer. The zipper track is a little bit longer than the Nano Speedy. I don't know if it looks like that to you all, but to me it looks like the zipper track is a little bit longer on the HL Speedy, and the Nano Speedy, the zipper track is a little bit shorter, which makes opening the mouth of the bag a little bit smaller and not as wide as the HL Speedy per se. That's what it looks like from the top. And again, the HL Speedy does not come with a strap, but the newer version and my version of the Nano Speedy comes with a strap. Both bags can be worn top handle, like I've mentioned. The top handles look like they're about the same drop. Mine can fit on the wrist of my hand. My Nano Speedy can, and so can the HL. The HL can kind of slide down to the crook of my arm. Like you see where it's in the crook of my arm. My HL Speedy can kind of like slide down there. It's not the most comfortable, honestly. I just wear it on my wrist like this sometime when I'm trying to like use all of my hands, and it fits perfectly fine. The Nano Speedy, it can kind of do the same, but it's not as like comfortable as the HL Speedy. You can wear it on your wrist, but getting it to the crook of your arm, it's not the most convenient for me. Maybe for you, or if you have smaller wrists than I do, then maybe you can, or smaller arms, but it wears comfortably. Now let me show you everything that fits inside. If you see my most recent video, I showed you everything that fits inside of my Speedy, or my HL Speedy. Let me just show you what fits inside my Nano Speedy. I've shown you this several times. I have previous videos of what fits in here, but for the sake of this video, I will show you all what fits. So everything that is going into this Nano Speedy is coming out of this HL Speedy right here. So you'll get another glimpse of everything that fits inside of this little bag. And ooh, oh goodness. That was a piece of candy that was sitting at the top of my bag. But this is everything that is inside of my Nano Speedy. So right now I have my iPhone 10 with its case. And that is going inside of my Nano Speedy. I've even shown how like sunglasses can fit in here. It's crazy how much can fit in here. Now, next I have packs of gum, and that just falls in there nicely because this bag is so tall in height and it has so much width. It's just crazy. My reverse Monogram card holder just gets thrown right in there, and this bag clearly can hold a lot more than the HL Speedy because it is shorter. So just keep that in mind. I have a full-size lip liner, MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. My Bath & Body Works lip balm. My key fob. Aquaphor lip balm. YSL Mom Paris roller perfume. A natural travel size deodorant. The candy that fell out of my purse before showing you everything that fits inside. Hand sanitizer, and because you can't keep your hands super duper clean, I have some single-use hand sanitizers, and I have some loose change. All of that, and if I needed to, I could fit some more items. It's a little chaotic in here. That's okay. Don't really care. But if I needed to, I could fit some more things because there's room at the top of this bag, and it closes like butter. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that, how that closed. Everything is in here. Everything that was in this little cutie is in here now. And I am very much obsessed with both of these cute bags. Super, super cute. This bag, because it's a crossbody bag, I am 5'3", it falls right at my hip. Like literally, it just literally falls right at my hip. I have a picture on my Instagram that you can check out, and you can see exactly where this little bag falls on me. It's lightweight, it's really cute. Now, because this is something that I neglected to talk about earlier, which I'm gonna talk about now that I'm thinking about it. The canvas on this bag, phenomenal. The canvas on this bag feels cheap. I'm just saying, like, the canvas on this bag really does feel like it's cheap canvas. This canvas is thick. It is, I don't know, it just feels like Louis Vuitton took their time with this canvas, got really great material to create this canvas, whereas this was just like mass produced. It doesn't have the same feel that this canvas has. So we all know the quality of vintage items are way better than what is being produced nowadays, and it shows through all of the items that I get from Louis, like my newer, most current items. It really does show that vintage quality is way better. So yeah, these are my two little Speedies. I love them both equally. I think at the moment I'm a little bit more obsessed with this one than I am with this one. That doesn't mean I'm selling this one. I'm gonna always have this one because I know that if I were to sell either one of these, I would have seller's remorse, and I've already been there, done that, told y'all about that, and I'm not trying to go back down that road. So yeah, super excited, super happy. This bag holds a lot, and so does this. So whichever bag you end up choosing, you have a great bag. This one, the quality will be better, just saying, but either way, like with this one, you would have a strap. There's all pros and there are cons. Again, the cons could be the mouth openings of each bag, the fact that this bag isn't adjustable and removable, but again, they have a newer model which is. But I am obsessed. If you like today's content, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. If you think I missed anything in this comparison video, please let me know. Share your thoughts with me in the comments. I love to chit chat and get to know you all. Don't be shy. I know it takes me some time to respond back, but I do respond. It's just a one-man team at the moment. And so I am and also thank you for everybody who has been riding along with me thus far. I appreciate all of you all. I love all of you all. And yeah, until next time, my loves, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Mwah.